So now I am coming to, we have studied the other day doublet, and I went back and I saw that there was a small mathematical mistake. What was the mistake? We actually did not cancel certain terms. What were those? If you remember, what was psi equal to? This was tangent inverse. This was this combined psi for a doublet, or not for a doublet, for source and sink at distance a and minus a from origin. This was the case. So actually we substituted these values as what? Y upon x
X
plus a
minus
and
X minus.
x minus a. And we also noted that tangent 2 pi L psi by q, this was equal to tangent theta 1 minus theta 2, and we simplified this as tangent theta 1 minus tangent theta 2 upon 1 plus tangent theta 1 tangent theta 2. The mistake we committed the other day was we forgot to cancel out these terms, because if you see this term, this is actually y upon x plus a minus y upon x minus a divided by 1 plus y upon x plus a, and what should I write down? Y upon
X minus A.
minus a. So you didn't also point out, and I also could not find at that point in time, this could have got cancelled. So what was the final thing that would have been there by solving this? Minus 2ay, this was the thing. There was no x square minus a square here. This would have got cancelled because there is x square minus a square here as well. Is that clear? Is that clear? Any doubts? So I got psi as, now what should I write down psi as? What is psi?
Q upon 2 pi L
Q upon 2 pi L.
Tangent inverse.
Tan
What should be
inverse.
here?
minus 2ay
Upon
x square plus y square minus a square.
y square a square. So tangent psi becomes equal to q upon 2 pi L into, what should I, this should not be tangent inverse. So wait for a second. This should be tangent q, wait for a second. So this should be what? Wait for a second. This is 2 pi L psi upon q is equal to minus 2ay x square plus y square minus a square. And you know that if angle is small, or then what can you say is this is equivalent to what? 2 pi L psi upon q, this thing, instead of tangent. And this is equal to minus 2ay x square plus y square minus a square. So what do you get psi as? What do you get psi as? Psi becomes equal to q upon 2 pi L minus 2ay upon x square plus y square minus a square. And we noted the other day, what is y equal to? What is y equal to?
R
R,
sin theta.
R
Sin
sin
theta.
theta, and x square plus y square was equal to R square.
R square.
And
R square.
for a doublet, what do you know? A tends to.
0.
So what will this equation become now? Quickly. What will this equation become? Psi is equal to q upon 2 pi L. What else? Minus 2a r sin theta upon r square minus a square. So this term will become what? R square only, because a is
Yes,
very
sir.
small. Is that clear? So I get psi as minus 2aq. What
सर
should I
ए
write
यहाँ
down?
से भी, सर ए यहाँ से भी तो नेग्लेक्ट हो जाएगा.
कहाँ से?
सर जो 2a क्यू
हाँ,
न्यूमरेटर में जो है,
वो निग्लेक्ट हो जाएगा. क्यों?
सर ए को ए टेंड्स टू 0 है अपना.
a टेंड्स टू 0 है, लेकिन इट इज नॉट 0. यहाँ पे जैसे a मान लो 0.1 है. व्हाट इज a स्क्वायर? 0.01.
0.01.
So I am neglecting this term, not this term. A is very small, but it is not that small so that I can replace only single term. I am
ओके
neglecting
सर.
the second order term, not the first order term. जैसे आपको अगर
ओके
याद
सर.
हो, जब आप fx plus h करते हो, तो नॉर्मली क्या लिखते हो आप? तो निगलेक्ट क्या करते हो आप? इस केस में क्या करते हो आप? What do you
Higher
write
order
f dash x as?
हायर ऑर्डर.
So you
लिमिट में
in the limit
अब
h tending to
0
0.
0.
But it does not mean h is equal to 0 as such there. You only neglect the higher order terms. So what do you get now? Or other way around also you could have done this. If you know what is the expansion of this, if you want to do the other way also. What is tangent inverse expansion equal to? What is this equal to? If you want to write down in other fashion, what is this equal to?
1 plus x square.
1 tangent inverse x का क्या सीरीज एक्सपेंशन होता है?
अच्छा 3
I think it is something like this.
3 5
X cube by 3, I think, plus x5 by 5, something like this.
हाँ ये
So then also what are you left with? If you do it that way also, then also you are left with which term? The same term, this term. Then also the cube term will go away because it is a very small value. So I finally get, what should I write down psi as equal to? Psi is equal to q upon 2 pi
L.
L minus 2a
R
sin
sin
theta upon
sin theta upon R.
and clear है?
Yes, sir.
And this is equal to m upon 2 pi sin theta upon r, where m is, what is m now? What should I write m as? M is the doublet strength. M is the doublet strength, and m should be equal to what in this case?
2aq.
2aq upon
L.
L. This is the strength of a doublet. And clear? Any doubts to anyone? So to summarize, we have done uniform flow. Second was line, source or sink. Then line vortex. Then doublet. So these are the 4 building blocks on which we can actually build up more complicated flows. So one example was, if you remember, what was one example? If you have a wash basin and you want to simulate the flow in this wash basin, which 2 elementary irrotational flows you will pick? You want to simulate flow in a wash basin. Flow in a wash basin could be thought of as sum of which 2 elementary flows?
Vortex plus sink.
Line sink and line vortex.
Line vortex and
Line sink.
line sink. This was one example. Second example is very common also. That is, if you have a flow and there is a cylinder here. So flow past a circular cylinder. Flow past a circular cylinder. So you know that if I draw the 2-dimensional view, it will be somewhat like this. So this kind of flow field, think about it, could be created with which combination of these elementary flows? Which flows could I combine so that I get this kind of flow field? That is a flow field simulating flow over a circular cylinder. Think about it quickly. One is this. I'm giving you a hint. So uniform flow plus what will give you this kind of streamlines? Hanji.
Source.
Source. But what about this? ये streamline ऐसे दिखेगी? So what are you able to see? Streamline is little bit curved. Do you have curved streamline in case of source? Do you have curved streamline in case of source?
No, sir.
Hanji?
No, sir.
So how can this curve come out? Try to think.
Sir, doublet से होगा.
Doublet. So you are correct. So uniform flow plus doublet at the origin is equivalent to flow field around a circular cylinder in uniform flow. And you clear है? Any doubts?
सर पता है कैसे डबलेट है सर?
देखो पता तो ऐसे चला है कि डबलेट में क्या होता है, कुछ ऐसे कर्व्स होते हैं.
यस सर.
जैसे अगर यहाँ पे मैं एक ये बना दूं, ये सोर्स है, तो यहाँ से सब कुछ एमिनेट हो रहा होगा सिंक के अंदर.
यस सर.
ऐसे जा रहा होगा. और नीचे से कैसे जा रहा होगा? ऐसे से. तो इसमें भी देखो आप कैसे हो रहा है. आप समझ रहे हो?
यस सर, वो वहीं से हो रहा है. फिर यूनिफॉर्म भी है और साथ साथ डबलेट भी बन गया.
हाँ. So we actually have found that uniform flow plus doublet results in this practical flow condition.
सर अगर सिलेंडर का डाया बहुत बड़ा होगा
हाँ,
तो डबलेट नहीं बोल सकते ना, क्योंकि डबलेट तो पास पास होने चाहिए सोर्स से।
नहीं नहीं, सिलेंडर का डायमीटर मतलब,
जैसे सिलेंडर के अक्रॉस फ्लो हो रहा है ना,
हाँ
तो अगर वो ज्यादा हो जाएगा तो सोर्स और सिंक पास पास होने चाहिए थे, उसके हिसाब से फिर दूर दूर हो जाएंगे डबलेट,
अच्छा,
तो
अब
वो
मैं
नहीं बन
समझ
पाएगा।
गया, आप ये कह रहे हो कि अगर ये ऐसे है तो अगर ये बहुत दूर हो तब तो है कि आपके स्ट्रीमलाइन बहुत बड़ी बनेगी,
यस सर।
अगर ये पास है तो सिलेंडर बहुत छोटा बनेगा, यही कह रहे हो आप?
यस सर, जैसे बीच में सिलेंडर का डाया बड़ा हो जाएगा तो भी उसको डबलेट ही बोलेंगे फिर।
हाँ, वो लेकिन किस पे डिपेंड करेगा, मान लो ये पास पास भी हैं लेकिन इनकी स्ट्रेंथ बहुत ज्यादा है। स्ट्रेंथ का मतलब क्या हुआ, कुछ ऐसे भी हो सकता है।
यस सर।
मतलब स्ट्रेंथ का मतलब होगा, आप जो बात कह रहे हो वो ठीक कह रहे हो कि इसका कुछ लिमिटिंग वैल्यू होगी जिससे ज्यादा डायमीटर आप इसको सिमुलेट नहीं कर सकते, एंड दैट वी विल गेट टू नो कि वो वैल्यू क्या है।
ओके सर।
ठीक है, दैट वी विल फाइंड आउट इन द प्रोसेस, दैट व्हाट इज द मैक्सिमम डायमीटर that you can treat in this kind of analysis. So I have uniform flow, say in x direction. So this is uniform flow in x direction. So this is flowing with capital U. Plus I have a doublet. So this is a doublet. And this results in such kind of a flow. Now what is the stream function for this uniform flow? What is the stream function for uniform flow? It was U times what? What was it? U times, what should I write down? U times, what should I write down? Chirag. In uniform flow, what should I write down? U psi uniform is equal to U times what? X or Y?
यूएक्स।
ध्यान से सोच के बताओ। साई यूनिफॉर्म में कैसे निकालते थे अगर आपको याद हो? You know that curly psi by curly y is equal to what? Capital U only. And you know that curly psi by curly x, curly phi by curly x was equal to curly psi by curly y is equal to capital U. And also you know that there is no flow in y direction, so you knew that curly phi by curly y is equal to minus curly psi by curly x. This was equal to 0. So you use these two equations, and what did you get after using these two equations? This was uy plus function of x. Then you differentiated this here and you got f dash x is equal to 0. That was fx was a constant. So you got something like this, u y plus constant. Clear hai? Any doubts? Psi uniform uy plus constant. What about of a doublet? We have just found it is equal to what? Minus m upon 2 pi sin theta upon r plus a constant. Is that clear? Any doubts? Jolin?
नो सर।
Subeg?
Yes, sir.
Clear है?
Sir.
So what
सर यहाँ
will be?
इंटीग्रेशन कहाँ की है?
हाँ जी बताइए।
सर ये कांस्टेंट कैसे इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ? यहाँ तो हमने इंट्रीगेशन नहीं किया ना फाई का, तो सीधे ये रिजल्ट है सर m/2 पे।
अच्छा, यहाँ पे आप कह रहे हो इसमें, उसमें भी एक्चुअली आएगा। अगर आप ध्यान से देखो, हमने स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट क्या था हमारा डबलेट का, उसमें भी तो एक सोर्स और सिंक था, आपको याद होगा।
हाँ, दो का मिक्स।
तो उसमें भी कांस्टेंट तो आना था एक्चुअली।
हाँ
ठीक है, तो दोनों में कांस्टेंट आ रहा है, लेकिन कांस्टेंट का फर्क नहीं पड़ता। बुक्स के अंदर एक कांस्टेंट को जीरो वैल्यू डाल देते हैं, बिकॉज व्हेन यू टेक अ डेरिवेटिव it does not
हाँ
matter
सर,
whether psi has which constant.
ओके। नहीं, वो पहले नहीं लिखा था ना इसलिए।
हाँ, पहले नहीं लिखा था वो, दैट इज। तो psi कंबाइंड क्या होगा, इज इक्वल टू psi यूनिफॉर्म प्लस psi डबलेट। so this is equal to u sin theta plus, or there should be a minus, m upon 2 pi sin theta upon r plus some constant, because there was another constant c1 c2, so there could be constant c. So this should be, this is u, this was not sin theta, this was what, y. So what is y equal to? R sin theta, and this is as it is, I am writing down sin theta by r plus c. Now can you further simplify this? So stream function for a combined flow is somewhat like this: ur sin theta minus m upon 2 pi sin theta upon r, and for convenience and for the derivation purposes, I am taking c as equal to 0, just for, because this is arbitrary constant, I have assigned it value 0, because it will not affect the overall equation, whatever constant value I take. So this is the equation of streamline of combined flow. So you can get the flow field by putting the value of what? By putting the value of psi, you can get the values of this equation. Now there is a special value of psi, that is psi equal to 0. This results in what? Psi could take any value you can assign to psi, but this is a special case in which you assign value as 0. So 0 becomes equal to ur sin theta minus 2 minus m upon 2 pi sin theta upon r. What do you get from this equation? What do you get from this equation?
Stagnation point.
Try to solve this equation. What do you get? M upon 2 pi sin theta upon r is equal to ur sin theta. So can you take out r square somewhere? R square becomes equal to what? This gets cancelled out. R square becomes equal to what? M upon 2 pi u. What is this equation? What do you think is the equation? Of which curve is this equation? This will become much more clear if I put r. R square is x square plus y square. Now let me know if you are able to understand which curve is this equation representing.
Circle, sir.
Circle. So streamline happens to be this special streamline happens to be a circle. So please remember this. and you know that no flow can happen past the streamline. So this streamline actually represents the circle or the fictitious circle over which you are taking the flow. हाँ जी, क्लियर है?
सर ये जो हमने लिया है ये जीरो स्पेशल केस फाइव
हाँ।
सर ये जो स्ट्रीम लाइन आई है सर्कल, इसका मतलब फिजिकल सिग्निफिकेंस क्या है कि स्ट्रीम लाइन सर्कल पे आ रही है ये स्पेशल केस का?
देखो, अगर आप ये वाला जो इक्वेशन है, ये इक्वेशन जो है, ठीक है, इसको मैं बोलूं आपको कि आप प्लॉट करो इस इक्वेशन को।
तो ये सर कैसे प्लॉट होगा? ये तो इसमें दो
नहीं
फंक्शन
नहीं,
साइन थीटा।
ये सर्कल नहीं होगा। जब इसको साई को मान लो 1 वैल्यू दे दोगे,
यस।
तो कुछ और वैल्यू आएगी, 2 वैल्यू दे दोगे कुछ और वैल्यू आएगी।
हाँ तो प्लॉट हो
जैसे
जाएगा।
जैसे बढ़ाते जाओगे इसका कर्व चेंज होता जाएगा।
यस।
लेकिन इसकी एक स्पेशल वैल्यू है, दैट इज साई इक्वल टू 0, जिस केस में ये स्ट्रीम लाइन एक सर्कल की तरह दिखने लगी। हाँ जी, क्लियर है?
यस।
So this streamline actually represents the circle over which we, or the cylinder over which we assume that fluid is flowing past. So when I put this equal to 0, I make R as a special case and I write down here, I should have written down here, when this is 0, this is R0. R0 means when the streamline is assigned value 0. So this is a special case. So R0 becomes equal to what? M upon 2 pi mu under root. 2 pi u under root. This is the radius of that circle over which I am assuming that the fluid is passing by. हाँ जी, clear है? Any doubts to anyone? Now, coming to your question, who asked a question regarding what is the maximum radius?
सर मैंने पूछा, चिराग।
हाँ, चिराग. Now, what will dictate the magnitude of R0? 2 pi is a constant.
यस सर।
So either strength or
यू।
U. So it will dictate what is the value of R0.
यस सर।
हाँ जी, clear है?
यस सर।
So this is the radius of the circle past which the flow has been simulated. So this is R0 is equal to M upon 2 pi 0, 2 pi U. And it is common in fluid mechanics to represent M as in the form of R0. So if I want to write down M from this equation, what should I write down? M should be equal to 2 pi U R0 square. Is that clear? Now what is the combined streamline equation generally equal to? This was U R sine theta minus M upon 2 pi sine theta upon R. So what do you get from here? If I substitute M here, what do I get? U R sine theta minus 2 pi U R0 square upon 2 pi sine theta upon R. This is the value of psi. And this becomes equal to, what is common here? This 2 pi gets cancelled out here. What is common here? U. What else? What is common here?
Sin theta.
Sin theta.
u sin theta. And what is in brackets? R minus R0 square upon R. So this is the value of psi. Is that clear? Any doubts to anyone? Now, if I want to find out what is the velocity in radial direction and what is the velocity in theta direction, how can I find out these? What is VR equal to in terms of psi? What is VR is equal to in terms of psi? What is VR? VR is equal to curly phi by curly r, and this is also equal to 1 upon r curly psi curly theta. Is that clear? ये क्लियर है सबको? Any doubts? Prashant,
No, sir.
what about V theta? Curly phi by r curly theta is, and this should be equal to what? Minus Is it clear? Now applying these two formula, I am giving you 30 seconds. Help me to write down what is VR. Using this formula, what is VR? What should I write down? What is VR? So Sthanu,
1 by r u cos theta. R
1
minus
by
r
r
square.
u cos theta,
R minus r naught square by r.
r minus r0 square by r. And this is equal to all, what else can I write down? U cos theta 1 minus r0 square upon r square. Clear, eh?
Yes, sir.
What about v theta? What about v theta?
Sir, u sin theta.
U sin theta
1 minus. Sorry, 1 plus r naught square.
1 plus r0
R
square
naught
upon
square by r square.
r square. ये clear है? So this actually represents the radial and the theta component of velocities in the flow field of the combined flow. That is combination of uniform flow and a doublet.
सर वी थीटा वाले में नेगेटिव आएगा बाहर,
Negative है?
माइनस करली साई बाय करली आ रहा है ना.
एक सेकेंड. Okay. It is minus curly psi by. Okay.
यस सर.
ठीक है. So this is the velocity radial component and velocity theta component in the flow field. If I ask you a question that what about the radial and theta velocities for this special streamline that was a circle, what will be your answer? What will you put here? What will you substitute here? For that special case, R will be equal to R0.
Yes, sir.
So what do you get? VR is equal to zero, and V theta is equal to
2u sin.
minus
2u sin theta.
2u sin theta. So what does that tell you? That if this was a cylinder, at each and every point, you will have a non-zero theta velocity, but you will have zero radial velocity. So these blue will be 0. And what do you think? At which points will be v theta also 0? At which points will also v theta be equal to 0?
At theta is equal to 0.
At theta equal to 0, that is at this point
And pi.
and pi.
And pi.
So these 2 points are called stagnation points. And maximum will be where? Where will be maximum?
So pi by 2.
Pi by 2. And 3 pi by 2?
नो सर 3 पाई बाय 2 पे ही होगा. पाई बाय 2 पे नेगेटिव वैल्यू होगी.
अब पाई बाय 2 पे नेगेटिव वैल्यू होगी, यहाँ पे
यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव हो जाएगी.
यहाँ पॉजिटिव हो जाएगी. हाँ जी, क्लियर है? So this means what has happened now? If you have actually a cylinder, will the flow have any velocity at these points or at any other points? Can you have non-zero velocities at the surface of the sphere or not? Actual flow, or there will be zero velocity at all the points in a cylinder? And if I have a cylinder here, forget about potential flows, and say fluid is flowing from this direction, what do you think? The velocities I'm marking here, what will be the velocities at all these points? Will it be zero or non-zero? हाँ जी. Sayyad,
So 0,
0. Why?
no slip condition.
No slip condition. But from your potential flow theory, what are you getting? You have only velocities at A and B equal to 0, and velocities at all other points is not equal to 0. And is that clear? Is that clear? So is it possible or not?
सर एक्सक्यूज मी.
हाँ जी.
सर ये पॉइंट्स वाला क्वेश्चन बता दो कि क्या था तो नो स्लिप कंडीशन है.
जैसे क्या है कि अगर आपके पास ये सिलेंडर है, मान लीजिए सिलेंडर के ऊपर जितने भी पॉइंट्स लगा दूं मैं सर्कमफ्रेंस पे, इन पे वेलोसिटी क्या होगी फ्लूइड की?
0 होगी.
0 होगी क्योंकि नो स्लिप है.
यस.
लेकिन पोटेंशियल फ्लो थ्योरी से जो हम अभी निकाल के लेके आए हैं, उसमें क्या निकल के आया?
बी पॉइंट्स पे 0 नहीं होगी.
कि सिर्फ 2 पॉइंट्स पे 0
2
होगी,
पॉइंट्स पे 0 होगी.
बाकियों
0
पे क्या
टीवी और
होगी?
1 टीवी.
बाकियों पे नॉन जीरो होगी. तो इन दोनों में से करेक्ट क्या चीज है? पोटेंशियल फ्लो थ्योरी का रिजल्ट करेक्ट है कि जो एक्चुअल में हम देखते हैं वो करेक्ट? हाँ जी, बताइए. सो
हो
पोटेंशियल
सकता है
फ्लो
सिलेंडर
थ्योरी,
रोटेट कर जाए.
क्या कह रहे हो? क्या कह रहे हो?
सिलेंडर रोटेट कर सकता है.
नहीं, अभी रोटेट नहीं कर रहा, दिस इज फिक्स्ड.
पोटेंशियल फ्लो थ्योरी के स्पेशल केस है ना सर ये?
क्या चीज?
ये जो ए एंड बी पॉइंट पे 0 हो रहा है.
ये पोटेंशियल फ्लो थ्योरी से आया ना हमारे पास,
यस सर,
लेकिन बाकी पॉइंट्स पे वो क्या प्रिडिक्ट कर रहा है?
जीरो।
नॉन जीरो प्रिडिक्ट कर रहा है।
हाँ वो नॉन जीरो कर रहा है, बाकी नॉन स्लिप कंडीशन से तो
एक्चुअल में जीरो आना चाहिए था।
यस सर।
So this actually is the shortcoming of potential flow theory. Potential flow theory is correct in regions that are away from this object. तो यहां पे पोटेंशियल फ्लो थ्योरी से जो रिजल्ट आ रहा है और जो एक्चुअल रिजल्ट है वो दोनों मैच करेंगे, लेकिन जब आप इसके पास आ जाओगे बिल्कुल, तो पोटेंशियल फ्लो थ्योरी इसकी नॉन जीरो वेलोसिटी रिपोर्ट करी जाएगा। और ये सोच के देखो क्या आ रहा है, पोटेंशियल फ्लो थ्योरी से कितनी वेलोसिटी आ रही है मैक्सिमम मैग्नीट्यूड? 2u। तो कभी आप सोच सकते हो कि आपका फ्लूइड मान लो 5 मीटर पर सेकंड से आ रहा है और इसके ऊपर जो फ्लो का वेलोसिटी है वो कितनी आ रही है? 10 मीटर पर सेकंड पे। So this is what is being predicted by potential flow theory. So that is incorrect, and that is the shortcoming of potential flow theory. You cannot actually apply potential flow theory for regions very close to the surface, that is in the boundary layer region. So it fails in this region. Why does it fail? Because it is based on what assumptions? That it is inviscid and irrotational region of flow. But this assumption does not hold true in this boundary layer region. That's why the answers you are getting are far from truth. हाँ जी, clear है? Any doubts?
सर ऐसे भी तो हो सकता है हमने कॉम्बिनेशन गलत लिया हो, उसकी वजह से भी हो सकता है।
नहीं, कॉम्बिनेशन क्यों गलत लिया हो?
हमने उसे डबलेट अज्यूम किया था।
ठीक है, और आप क्या कर पाओगे? नहीं, ये देखो
उसका तो
वेलोसिटी
idea नहीं
फिर
है।
भी आप मुझे सोच के बताओ, कुछ भी आप एज्यूम करोगे, अगर पोटेंशियल फ्लो में क्या वो है आपके पास, एजम्पशन क्या है कि इनविसिड है और इरोटेशनल है, तो आप कोई भी कॉम्बिनेशन
Yes,
ले लो, उसमें क्या निकल के आएगा? अगर विस्कोसिटी है ही नहीं, अगर विस्कोसिटी है ही नहीं तो क्या है? तो क्या होगा? ये इससे स्टिक ही नहीं कर रही, इसकी वेलोसिटी इस सरफेस से इन्फ्लुएंस ही नहीं हो रही। हाँ जी, क्लियर है?
यस सर।
तो नो स्लिप जो कंडीशन है आपकी, वो आपकी फॉलो ही नहीं हो रही अगर आप पोटेंशियल फ्लो थ्योरी लगा रहे हो किसी भी सरफेस के लिए। अगर आपको ये याद हो, हम ऐसे किया करते थे कि अगर आपके पास प्लेट है, ये बाउंड्री लेयर है, तो यहां पे आपकी आयलर इक्वेशन वैलिड होती थी इस रीजन में। अगर आयलर इक्वेशन इस रीजन में लगाओगे क्या आंसर आएंगे? हाँ जी, तो यहां पे भी फ्लूइड की वेलोसिटी दिखाई जाएगा वो।
गलत।
हाँ जी, क्लियर है?
यस सर।
तो आयलर के केस में तो ऐसे
Okay,
वेलोसिटी फील्ड आ जानी थी, उसने लास्ट को भी सेम वेलोसिटी पे रख देना था। सो दैट इज इनकरेक्ट। So likewise, in potential flow theory, because of this inviscid and irrotational assumption, we are trying to make an assumption in this region, and in this region, this assumption is not correct. And that's why whatever results we are getting are unrealistic. And this is the shortcoming of potential flow theory. But the benefit is it can actually predict the flow field in all other regions except this boundary layer. तो इसका कॉन्सिक्वेंस क्या होगा? ये क्या चीज ठीक प्रेडिक्ट नहीं कर रहा? इसके हिसाब से क्या होगा? Will there be any drag force experienced by this cylinder or not as per potential flow theory?
No, sir.
No. But actually drag will be there. So that is the shortcoming of potential flow theory. It predicts zero drag force, which is not possible. But it predicts correctly the flow field in regions away from the boundary layer. Clear? So I will break for today. We will continue with this in the next lecture.